Before starting with my question number 2E, I'm just explaining some concept of taking common. Understand that thing, and then we will do question number 2 ka part E. Okay. For instance, I'm given with 4x square plus 6x minus 2. For instance, this is given to me, and they are telling us to find a common from here. They are telling us to find a common from here. So how will I find that common? So you can see that 4, 6 and 2 over here I can take 2 common. So basically what happens when we take common something, that every term which is given over here is divided by that number or that value which we are taking common. So when I will simplify it, this will become 2x square. This will become 3x. And this will become, I have taken 2 common. Okay. This is one of the scenario which we can have. Now, for instance, I am having another one, 3x square minus 12x plus 2. Okay, 3x square minus 12x plus 2. Over here, as you can see, right now nothing is common. By itself, nothing is common. It is 3, 12 and 2. I can't take anything common from there. But if I by myself say that I want 3s common from here, I want 3s common from here, so what will I do? Automatically I can't find it. I can't take it common, but I am saying no, I want to take 3 common. So what will I do? I will divide every term by 3. Okay, so simplifying it, this will become x square. This will become 4x. 2 upon 3, I can't divide them, so I will be keeping it in this way. Okay, that is also a form of taking common. Over here, it is not natural common, it is forced common. I want anything to take as common, so I will take it, write it outside, and I will divide everything by that number. Even if that number is not inside over here, I can still divide it and I can leave it like that. For instance, if I am saying I want to take from 3x square minus 12x plus 2, I want to take 5 common. So what will happen? 3x square over 5 minus 12 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Okay, I have taken 5 common. So every term is divided by 5. Now I can't simplify it further, so I will leave it like that. Okay. For instance, 3x square minus 12x plus 2. I'm saying I want to have 2 common. So 2 I have taken common. 3x square upon 2 minus 12x upon 2 plus 2 upon 2. Simplifying it, 3 upon 2 can't be cancelled, so I'm just keeping it in this way. Minus 6x plus 1. That is, I have taken common. Over here, it was natural common. Okay, like not natural common, forced common. I have selected it by myself. I have selected this by myself. I have selected this by myself. So whenever we want to take something common, we always divide each term from where we want to take common each term will be divided by that value which I want to take common. Okay, so this is the thing which you should know before exercise question number 2E. Question number 2, you have to state minimum or maximum value of y and corresponding value of x. Then you have to sketch the curve, sketch graph or sketch curve by indicating y-intercept. Okay, and we are doing part F of this one. Part F is 9 minus 2x minus 1 whole square. Now, first thing is that x is given inside a bracket which has a square over here. Okay, so it means it's a completing square. So y equals to a x minus h whole square plus k. Now, before starting my comparison, I have to check one thing. Inside the bracket, the coefficient of x is 1. But over here, the coefficient of x is 2. So it means if the coefficient of x is not 1, which is the first requirement over here, if it is not 1, so I can't compare anything else. First of all, I have to make the coefficient of x as 1. So what will I do? This is my question. 9 minus 2x minus 1 whole square. Now, in order to make my coefficient of x as 1, what I am doing over here, I am taking, this is the bracket which is having a square. From these two, when the coefficient of x is not positive 1, then take coefficient of x common, whatever is that. So what do we do? The coefficient of x is 2, so I'm writing 2 over here, which means, and when we take common, basically we divide every term by that number which is being taken as common. Okay, 2 is the coefficient of x. I don't need it, so I have taken it common. Taking common means I have written it outside, and then these two terms are being divided by 2 over here. After this, y equals to 9 minus large bracket 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. X minus 1 upon 2 can't be cancelled, so I am keeping it 1 upon 2 whole square. 2 is being multiplied by this bracket and there is a whole square. Now what will I do? See, these two are being multiplied. if I'm having a multiplied by b whole square, so I will do what? I will make it a square and b square. Both of them are being multiplied. So square which is written outside will be multiplied by the power. So 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So this thing will become a square into b square. In the same way, this 2 is being multiplied by this bracket. This 2 is being multiplied by this bracket, and there is a square over here. So what will happen? Y equals to 9 minus 2 having power 1. 2 is having power 1. This 1 will be multiplied by this 2. So I am going to have 2 square. This bracket has got power 1. So when I will multiply it, this will also become x minus half whole square and then bracket. Okay. After that, simplifying, y equals to 9 minus 2 square will become 4, x minus half whole square. I am not expanding this bracket because I need this bracket over here. Y equals to 9. Now I can remove the bracket because there is no power outside. So now I am having y equals to minus 4 x minus power half whole square. Now this is in that form which is required. The coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of x is 1. So now I can do comparison by comparing. First of all, outside the bracket is written a, which is being multiplied. Outside the bracket, which is being multiplied, that is minus 4. So it's lesser than 0. And lesser than 0 means I will have a maximum value or a maximum curve. After that, minus h is written inside the bracket. Minus h. And over here, inside the bracket with x is written minus half. So minus and minus will be cancelled. H will be equals to 1 upon 2. Outside the bracket, plus k. So outside the bracket, I have got 9, whose sign is k. So plus, so I am going to have k equals to 9. Okay. So minimum or maximum value, I am having maximum value. Value of y, value of x, value of y is 9. Turning point, value y is 9. And corresponding value of x is h. Sketch the curve by indicating y-intercept. Y-intercept means y-intercept, which means the value of x will be taken as 0. So that's totally your choice where you want to keep it as 0. You can put it 0 over here also, or you can put 0 over here also. It will have no effect on your answer. Okay. So just for my ease, I am putting it over here, and then I will put it over here. So you guys can check. Y equals to 9 minus 2. In place of x, I will be writing 0 minus 1 whole square. Y equals to 9 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 whole square will be 1. When I will simplify it, 9 minus 1. So the result will be when x is 0, y is coming 8. Okay, when I will simplify this whole thing, so when I have plotted x as 0, the value of y is coming 8. Now I am doing the same working with this one, so you guys can get the idea. Okay, are we having the correct thing or not? So y equals to 9 minus 4, x is 0 minus half whole square. Y equals to 9 minus 4. 0 minus half will be minus half. Minus half whole square will become 1 over 4. Y equals to 9 minus 4 and 4 will be cancelled. 1 will remain. Okay. So when x is 0, y is coming. 9 minus 1 is 8. Your y intercept, either you have used this equation or either you have used this equation, the result will be same. Now, sketching the curve. Okay, so these are the turning points. H is half, K is 9. This is your y-intercept. I will have a maximum value or maximum curve, means I will be having this kind of curve. Okay, so first of all, I am going to plot my turning point. Half, 1, 1.5, 2. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just rough sketching. You don't have to show everything over here. H is half, K is 9. H is half, K is 9. Y-intercept 0 and 8. So this is your 8. H is 0, Y is 8. This will be the point. Now I am sketching my curve. Y-intercept is 0, 8. And your turning point is half, 9. This is the required working for question number 2F.